Greetings, fellow gadget lovers. Today, we're diving into the world's latest innovations. Agricultural robot Sweeper helps farmers to harvest. It's specifically intended for use in single-stem row cropping systems where the fruits are not clustered and where there's little leaf occlusion. The manufacturers have incorporated advanced computer vision methods to improve the robot's ability to detect ripe produce. The French startup Vidibot has developed the Bacchus robot, which is designed for work in vineyards. The versatile and all-electric Bacchus robot can fight weeds and treat and spray vines. It's expected that the machine will perform other tasks in the future. The absence of a cab reduces the center of gravity, which allows you to work on steep slopes. Due to its size and light weight, the robot consumes little energy and reduces soil compaction. Jonathan Tibbett, an engineer, has created something impressive for Earth, a giant mech called Prosthesis by Furion Robotics. This exobionic racing machine is a groundbreaking achievement and the first of its kind in the world. The mech has been designed for use in racing events and is sure to turn heads with its impressive size and speed. Nicknamed Balehawk, the conceptual autonomous bale mover is designed to move bales from where they are dropped on the field to the field's edge or to a storage area. Once an operator has programmed the robot where to work, a suite of sensors, including a Velodyne and a SICK LiDAR sensor with a visual camera in between, helps the robot locate bales in the field. IC Series autonomous implement carriers from AutoAgri are to stand out from others by its electric drivetrain and compatibility with existing implements. The robot carries implements up to 2,000 kilograms. All four wheels, positioned on each corner of the vehicle, are driven and can steer 360 degrees. These are to give the AutoAgri I-Series maximum navigation flexibility and the ability to drive in all directions and turn around its own axis, also in challenging terrain. FarmBot Genesis is a robot for growing plants in greenhouses that performs seeding, watering, weed detection, weeding, and photo scanning. It's a metal frame equipped with a cart with replaceable nozzles for planting seeds, watering, and removing weeds. The plastic parts of the structure are printed on a 3D printer, and the robot is controlled using microcomputers. This robot can grow enough vegetables for a family of 4. John Deere has developed an autonomous all-electric agricultural machine, which has already been called the tractor of the future. The electrification of machines becomes more important for agriculture machine manufacturers. A key aspect of this strategy is the self-use of electricity. This makes farmers independent of rising fuel prices. Ladybird is an agricultural robot designed to address the labor shortage in the farming industry. It's equipped with cameras and sensors that allow it to navigate through fields and identify weeds. Ladybird is powered by a combination of rechargeable batteries and solar panels, which allows it to operate for extended periods without needing to be recharged. The AgZeed robot tractor is an innovative and intelligent machine designed for precision farming. It comes equipped with advanced sensors, GPS technology, and artificial intelligence that enable it to navigate autonomously and perform various farming tasks with high accuracy. It's also equipped with safety features such as obstacle detection and emergency stop that ensures safe operation. This is Dino, mechanical weed robot of Nio Technologies. We are now watching intelligent machines that can exhibit the same cognitive and physical capabilities as a human in performing tasks throughout the crop production cycle, from seeding to harvesting. These robots possess attributes such as reasoning, perception, learning, control, and supervision. Nio Technologies launched a new version of the TED Vineyard robot. This Vineyard robot is now equipped with a tool holder in the middle and its engine power increased. The conception and design of the platform were thought out whilst maximizing the machine's safety features. Safety devices were included, slowing down before an obstacle and halting immediately if touched, and a remote operational monitoring system was installed. The John Deere walking tractor prototype is a practical machine designed for forest workers to navigate rough mountain terrain in snow and mud. It features 6 articulated legs, allowing it to move forward and backward, sideways and diagonally, and even turn in place and step over obstacles. Additionally, the machine is equipped with an intelligent computer system that controls all walking functions, including direction, speed, step height and gait, and ground clearance. Canadian company Dot Technology has developed an autonomous agricultural platform that does not attach variable agricultural equipment to the rear or front, but integrates it into its body. This saves over 20% on fuel, labor, and equipment costs. Carbon dioxide emissions are also reduced by 20%. The Top Cleaner Greenhouse Roof Cleaner is a top-quality and affordable solution for Venlo greenhouse owners. This cleaner effortlessly removes dirt from glass and gutters, leaving them sparkling clean. Plus, it's environmentally friendly and does not waste water. Not only is Top Cleaner effective and eco-friendly, but it also helps maintain the longevity of a greenhouse rooftop. The self-propelled Mulcher LV600 is a versatile machine designed for land clearing and vegetation management in a variety of environments. Equipped with a powerful engine and advanced hydraulic system, the LV600 is capable of mulching dense vegetation, trees, and stumps with ease. Rayco stump grinders are powerful machines designed to quickly and efficiently remove tree stumps. These grinders are used by professionals in the landscaping, forestry, and construction industries to clear land, prepare building sites, and improve the aesthetic appearance of properties.